How to change your voice on Discord. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to change your voice on Discord with a voice changer. This should be a quick video since it's easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So in this video, I will show you how to download it, how to set it up, and what voices they have. So let's jump straight into the video. So the voice changer that we are using is called Clownfish Voice Changer. Let's go to our browser and search for Clownfish Voice Changer. Click on this link right here and we have to download it. To download, just click here until you see this section. Download what version is best for you. There are also plugins here you can download. Once downloaded, open it and run it. Just do the installation process like this. So once installed, you have to run it. Go to your Windows and you will see it there. Once you've run it, there won't be anything that appear in your windows. Rather, you can see it here at the toolbar. What we need to do is right click and select setup. So here, make sure that the microphone that you are using is installed. If it isn't, just click on install and it should be good. So let's close this and go back again to the toolbar. Right click it and select voice changer. And we can see here all the voices we can choose. We can also mess up the pitch and sensitivity. So let's try it and test the helium pitch.
Test, test, test.
You can hear that my voice changed immediately. When it is active, you should see a box around it. So to turn it off, you just have to click it again and click on clear effect. Now on Discord, you have to make sure that you are in the settings. You go to voice and video and make sure your input device is the one you are using on the Clownfish. Once you've done the setup, whatever voice changer you have on the Clownfish will take effect when you speak on the Discord. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. Once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.